Hello, Eric Dennis here with CIR Realty. Hopefully you're having an amazing day and so excited that the Jays won Game 7. Not a huge baseball fan, but I tell you, it caught my eye last night and it's going to be an amazing series. The market will determine the value based on recent sales, actives, and demand. We're no longer in a seller's market. Let me give you an examples of how not understanding the market will hurt you in the long run and cost you potentially thousands of dollars. An apartment came on the market little low compared to most recent solds in the complex, so of course it caught my client's eye. After rejecting a couple bully offers prior to the time, let me explain bully offers and the time. The sellers, they set out scheduled time to review all offers. So myself and other agents tried to get in there before that set time to avoid competing offer situations. And that is called a bully offer, is not following the seller's instructions. But at the end of the day, they're the buyer. They don't want to be put into a competing offer situation because in that situation, a buyer always pays more money. So the sellers, as I mentioned, rejected our offer. We waited till Sunday and resubmitted. We offered a full price offer and the sellers once again rejected our offer. Key thing is here, there was no other offers at the time. So the buyers that were interested in before, they're no longer interested. In fairness, it was listed well below recent sales, probably by about 10 to 15%. But here's my point regarding the market. Months of inventory is nearly 2 months difference. Therefore, the demand wasn't the same. The sellers were looking at solds that sold a while ago. So again, if the demand isn't there, they're not going to get as much money as possible. The end result is the buyers that were ready, willing, and able to buy that property feel that they were played. They wasted their time going to look at it and writing the offers, which were quickly rejected. The very next day, the sellers increased the price by 25%. It's now been on the market for 37 days above market value. Now those sellers are missing the market in a different way. So now they're going to be chasing the market. Another property that I looked at with different clients encountered the same situation, except this time we presented on that scheduled day and there was a total of 5 offers. And again, at the end of the day, the sellers rejected all offers. We are no longer in a seller's market, so be careful of the marketing strategy you choose. You're not going to trick anyone. The market will determine the value. If you're serious about selling, understand the market that you're in and what you're offering, and develop the best strategy that works for you. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. Thanks so much. Have a great day.